Alright, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a part 2 of this Milwaukee chainsaw. Show us some actual cutting. I got to take this tree down. This tree's in the way. I'm building a tiny cabin next summer, so it has to come down. And then I can show you guys how well this thing works. Alright, let's get into it. My safety gear on. I'm a long ways out from help, and I do not want to cut myself and bleed out here. All right. I figure out which way to drop this tree. I want it to fall back. Stick around till the end of the video. I have a tip for cutting the perfect length firewood without ever breaking out a tape measure. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Make my first cut here. Alright, let's get into this back cut. Alright. Let's see where we're at. Alright, we're getting close. Down. All right. Let's start limbing this, and I'll show you how it cuts. Now, in my original video, the initial review, I was talking about these zip ties. And what I forgot to say in the first video is it's 16 inches from here to the bar. Just gives you a rough estimate. That way you can get your pieces cut. And I'll show you right now how that works on this smaller stuff, but it works for big stuff too. All right. All right. Now here's how it works. You get the ends right here of these zip ties, 16 inches, and then I cut right here. 1, 2, 3, Just like that, so on. Just keep working your way down. There we go. The ends of the zip ties right here. Let's line it up with that cut bar. This is your next 16-inch piece. And so on. And then I'll just work my way down, make all my cuts. Then I'll roll it over and finish it. Just like that. And the other nice part with these zip ties, when you're going to put it in the case, turn them in, fits right back in, no problem. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you could like, comment, subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. If you haven't seen the first part of this review, I'll put it up on the right-hand corner of the screen. Thanks for watching.